Are mosquitoes bothering your life? Maybe it's time we think about how to deal with these little pesky friends. Like this? Or this? How about this? Not good. Introducing WANDIAN, a powerful mosquito repeller you can wear. With our secret, non-toxic formula, the scent emitted by WANDIAN creates an instant shield to protect you from mosquitoes. You can strap it, hang it, or better off, clip it anywhere you see fit. The Mini Turbo works in 3 modes to boost the dissipation of the repellent. You can press to switch to the best one that suits your needs. WANDIAN cares a lot about the environment, so it is powered by rechargeable batteries. And we make all our repellents from natural plant extracts. Don't worry if you forget to charge it. The battery can last up to 30 days. Be creative and make your own scent. Feel exhausted after a whole day of work? Let the refreshing scent lift your spirit. Find your inner peace and stay active. WANDIAN will always be there for your future adventures.